Hi Dan. Yeah.
It's all broken ground. There's a stack of bait in there. Absolutely full of bait.
I can't even get to the bottom. I can't even get to the bottom.
Yeah.
It's heavier weight. Yeah, I've only got 40 gram on though. I haven't even touched the bottom yet. Well, it touched the bottom because it's all roughed up, but I haven't felt it on the bottom. I'd flip one up there. That's better for the bottom now. Sunshine, eh?
Beautiful.
Oh,
That's it.
bite then, or yeah, rasp by the feel of it.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm glad we came over.
Yeah.
Dan was like, don't go over there, it'll be bloody horrible.
Yep. Got it. Ras, I think. I know, it was.
I reckon he was chasing that along for ages.
Yeah, he was there knocking it for a while. Yeah, exactly what it felt like. There you go.
Start, mate. It's a start. Start. There's a fish.
Ow, 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 ow. There we go, my first bass.
Give it a couple of turns.
That was a good take. Hold on.
Sorry, mate. Possibly. Try it. More depends on the weight of your braid than anything else, I would have thought.
That was a hell of a take that was.
Was it? Slammed it like.
Slammed it like.
There's no shortage of fish. I just want to wangle the bigger one.
get in the bottom.
Candy green.
What colour?
I tried that and I can't get a bite on it.
Probably not necessarily the colour. It's probably more about it being got quite a bit of UV in it. Either that, or you just on a roll right touch.
Yeah, it's just on fire.
Touch me, I reckon.
Should have had a tally today. I reckon we've wrapped up probably 60 pounds so far. I reckon. Can't be far, what? You had probably 10.
Way up. Pollock, I reckon. Pollock. I'll hit it on the way up. What is that actually? What is that?
So there's got to be some bigger ones there. Bonito.
I just thought that.
It is, it's Bonito. Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, it is. Come on, you bastard.
Might have to tire them out.
Get on that fucking engine.
See, I should call it exotic fishing adventures.
They go, look, don't they?
Oh, mate, they do. The one I had on, I was fighting for bloody ages, like. Don't put it in too much, like.
Yes.
Well done, mate.
Sweet.
That's
Nice
what
one.
you wanted, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It destroyed your lure.
Yeah,
mate. Sorry about that.
I saw it.
I want to come the other side of you to get come this side. That's it. I'm just trying to get one. Just want a bit of video.
Just a bit of video, yeah. There we go, first Bonito. Cheers, Dan.
They're solid fish, aren't they?
£4, 4, 5.
Yeah.
Heavy. Colours on it.
Beautiful, aren't they? Yeah. Big ass teeth on it.
Oh, it's worth a black minnow body.
Yeah, I'd trade a Bonito for a black minnow. They go well though, don't they?
Yeah, yeah.
It's like a turbo shot.
Yeah. off I got a cuttlefish. There's another first. Oh. Got it?
Yeah.
Sweet. I've got a cuttlefish.
Don't throw it back.
Something there, I've got a tackle rod.
They're right on the bottom, yeah, that's
Well, another new species for me today. Cuttlefish. Wow. Well, you see lots of the things you get. Oh, horrible.
I was going to say, watch out, you might try and eat it.
What are you doing with it? Keeping
I'll
it?
have for mate, if you don't want it.
Yeah, take it, mate.
You want a photo with it? Or you want
Yeah, can do. Oh, it's stuck. It's not going to bite you or anything, is it? Oh, he took a chunk out of lure, look, that's what they do. Cuttlefish freaking hogs. Cheeky bugger.